What's going on, guys? Rodrigo here, Breakfast Club CTG. We're back in this beat. Today I'm gonna be doing a quick HIIT style workout that you guys can do in your garage, outside, at the park, wherever it may be. All you guys might need is a pair of dumbbells and some creativity. But I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys my garage workout here that I'm doing. It's a quick HIIT workout, probably 10-15 minute max, and it's gonna give you a pump, a burn, and a sweat. Let's go ahead and get into the video. Alright guys, so it's gonna be simple, 3 movements. First movement we're gonna start off is gonna be a chest movement. So grab yourself a pair of dumbbells. We're gonna go ahead and be doing just dumbbell press. All of this is gonna be 5 rounds total, back to back. Move through it as quickly as you can, little to no breaks if possible. But on some movements that are more technical, if the bench press is more technical for you or another movement, just go ahead and take your time until you feel good to go again and then hit it. But try to keep your heart rate up, try to keep moving. That way you guys break a sweat and you're done with this pretty quick and you get the most bang for your buck. Basically 5 rounds of 10 dumbbell push press. I went 50 on that just because that's all I have. But if you have a weight that you can get 10 reps of the dumbbell press, then go ahead and go heavier if you'd like. If you guys don't have a bench on hand, you can always just do floor press, just laying down on the floor doing bench press. If you guys don't have a set of dumbbells, not to worry, go ahead and just do some push-ups. Try to double the reps if you can, maybe 20 push-ups, and crank those out pretty easy. Next movement, you're just gonna go straight into front squats. I did my front squats at 155 off of the ground, so basically a squat clean or a power clean, whatever you may be for you, and then 10 reps of that. If you guys don't have a barbell on hand, don't worry, grab a pair of dumbbells, nice and heavy, whatever you can do, and go ahead and do 10 reps. If it's a lighter weight, go ahead and double the reps. Try to keep moving, try to keep that focus on the squats, that way you get that nice burn pump from it. If you guys don't have dumbbells, guys, just go ahead and swap it out for a foot elevated body weight squat. So basically get yourself up on a curb or find something a little bit elevated, like let's say a plate or maybe like a dumbbell, put your heels on top of it and then just do a body weight squat. Boom, simple as that, guys. You're still gonna get that quad pump, you're still gonna get that burn, and your heart rate's gonna be going up. Last and final movement is gonna be a bike sprint. On this one, I'm gonna leave it up to you guys. If you guys don't have an assault bike, maybe jump on the treadmill, a rower, a skier, a biker, whatever it is, guys, go ahead and jump on something to get your heart rate up. If you guys don't have a cardio machine, then just go ahead and either grab a jump rope and just hit a quick 50 double unders. If you can't do double unders, hit a quick 50 single unders. Just something that's gonna take you right around 30 to 40 seconds to finish and come back. I did an 8 cal bike sprint. If you guys are gonna be doing a run, substitute it for maybe like a 200-meter sprint or a 100-meter sprint, something quick and easy for you guys. That way you keep moving through everything. Anyways, guys, that's gonna do it for this HIIT style, functional fitness style workout. I hope you guys have enjoyed. This is gonna get your blood flowing, sweat going, and body pumped. So go ahead and hit that like button if you guys enjoyed this style video. If you guys are new here, my name's Rodrigo. Welcome to the Breakfast Club fam, guys. 2 new videos every week. You guys don't wanna miss out, so hit that subscribe button, guys. If you guys need help with your training and nutrition, I'd love to help you guys out. Apply for one-on-one coaching. The link is in the description. As always, Breakfast Club CTG. We out this bee.